Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. Are you a global shopper looking to explore the Temu app in your native language? Well, today I am going to show you how to change that language in the Temu app. In this video, I will guide you step by step process to change that language in that Temu app. So let's get start to the video. First of all, open your Temu application on your mobile device. And before that, you have to make sure that you are logged in that. So now you can see the different icon are there at down, like a home, categories, new, cart and all. So in that you can see the new option, tab on that. So now you can see your page. So in that you can see the at the top right corner one icon is there, just like a setting. So tab on that. So in that you can see the option like language, tab on that. In this near about 10 languages are there, so which you like to select that language. So in this way you can change the language on Temu application. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.